Now, at least one school in central Kingston says attendance is improving. Good news given the recent challenges being faced with crime and violence in the area.
It has been a bloody year in central Kingston. But on Wednesday, some semblance of normalcy returned to the south side area of the constituency thanks to a vaccination drive. Days before, children were back at school, albeit virtually. Principal of the Holy Family Infant and Primary School, Christopher Wright, pointed to another positive sign. Class attendance is improving.
This year, we have seen a little bit, some improvement as it relates to children with gadget and with children with internet. It's still early, but we are seeing some positive signs, and I hope we'll just continue to build on that, so that the children from the community, the children in this community, will be able to get an education.
And like many others who operate and live in the community, he too is concerned about the level of crime in the space, which not only affects children at home, but teachers as well.
The crime is another thing. Again, as a school, we have no control over that. We just hope that the powers that be will ensure, do whatever they have to do to ensure that there is some amount of that aspect of it is eliminated, so that children are not traumatized, teachers are not afraid to come out, and the community is just in harmony again.
But the parents from the area want to see their children back at school, physically. While they have no control over the crime situation, they are trying to do what they can to prevent the deadly coronavirus from wreaking havoc in the area.
Well, I'm not a doctor, I'm a professor. You understand? I'm a scientist. So me have to do, because when me younger, me know my parents them did it when all kind of diseases out, and a vaccine them did have to use, right? And come back, we come, we get it, we pick them come and get it. Right? I mean, I really see none of them did.
And even though these students are not eligible to get vaccinated, Principal Wright says it was very encouraging to see several parents and relatives of students coming out to be vaccinated.
A high percentage, probably 80% of the persons who were here, either grandma or mommy or daddy or grandfather, or a relative or aunt or uncle. But the school is the children, we have a high percentage of children from the community, and so persons in the community ultimately will be of some relation to the children in one way or the other. So as I said, I think that's a good initiative, and I think that will help us or give a bigger push for us to have face-to-face.
Member of Parliament for Central Kingston, Donovan Williams, says other vaccination drives are being organized for other parts of the constituency, so more people can have access to the jab. Herman Green, TVJ News.